Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 24, 2022, 4-star Sudoku. Column E, column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column E, third row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. 8th grade, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Third row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 9, 7. Column J, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column C, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Then third row, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then third grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 9. Column H, we have 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Fourth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 4. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Sixth grade, and column C, we have pair numbers 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column J, and column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Sixth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 8. Column H, we have 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Sixth row and seventh row, column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Sixth grade and fourth grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then fifth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Seventh row, we have 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column D, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then fourth grade, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Seventh row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 6. Column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Sixth grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column J, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column I, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column I, column J, we have pair numbers 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 9th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column H, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. 8th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 8th row and 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 8, 6, 7. 8th grade, we already have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. The 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Column E, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column B, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. First grade, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.